Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a blessed day. So, if you're like me, I love coffee, right? But for me to enjoy coffee, I also need some coffee creamer. The problem is with coffee creamer for me, my God, I go through heck afterwards. My stomach is bloated like I'm like 9 months pregnant. Gassy, it hurts, and it's just not worth it. I did, however, found this one creamer at Publix. I think Walmart carries the smaller one. Publix has the larger ones and the smaller ones. But the truth of the matter is, it's kind of high for some coffee creamer. It's really expensive. So I love making homemade coconut milk. I do have a video of one that I made before making homemade coconut milk. The thing about us Jamaicans and coconut milk is we usually make it for our rice and peas. But I thought, I just recently started soaking my oats in there. I'm gonna make a video of that for you guys soon. But I thought, what if I just make some homemade coconut milk and create my own coffee creamer? And I did that, and I was flipping shocked. I'm like, wow, this was all I needed to do all along. So I'm showing you guys. You can go back and watch the video on how I get the coconut from in the hard shell to this. And so I put that in the blender, and I'm going to add some water now. The difference is, if you watch the previous video with the coconut milk I made, I probably put more water. With this, one of the things that make our coffee creamer so good is the heavy cream they put in there. So I want this coconut milk to be a bit on the rich side, so I'm putting less water. So let me blend this. Okay guys, so I'm just about done blending that up now, so I'm just going to strain it in this bowl right here. And if you recall in the previous video, after this I would probably put this ground up stuff in there and add some more water. But again, because of the creamer, I'm not going to do that because I want it as rich as possible. So I'm just going to do it once. Okay, let me move this out the way. Okay, I need the blender again. I'm going to put the milk back in the blender. And to that, I'm going to add some vanilla. Listen here, there's no measuring going on. I just attempted this morning because I couldn't find. I have some creamer in the fridge that I made over the weekend for my rice and peas. I mean some coconut milk, but I didn't have any creamer. And so I thought I'd give it a try, and that's what I did, and it worked. Okay, I'm gonna add a pinch of sugar. If you don't want sugar, it's up to you, but me and the other people in here, we love our creamer sweet. So I'm gonna get some sugar. Just a minute, please. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some sugar to this. I was gonna add brown sugar, but I didn't think, I don't know. You can try that. When I used mine this morning, I used white sugar. I know a lot of us are trying to get off sugar, so you don't have to. You can put it in there, and then you don't have to. You can wait till when you make a cup of coffee. Then you decided if you want to add sugar and how much to add in there. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add to this that I love for my coffee, a lot of people may not know this, I like a little nutmeg in my coffee. So I usually buy the nutmeg like this, so I'm going to grate a pinch of nutmeg. Okay, I grate a pinch of nutmeg, see? And I'm going to add it here. I usually wait till I make my cup of coffee to add nutmeg, but so let's mix this up on low. Okay, there we go. I just heat up some coffee. Guys, when I say this is divine, it is divine. I don't know how much cream you like in your coffee. It could use a lot more sugar. I didn't make it sweet. At least for me, I could use a lot more sugar, so I'll do that later. But guys, here we go. Homemade coffee creamer. Guys, I know the holidays are coming. I hope you guys are doing well with your plans for the holidays and not getting too crazy like some of us do. Please don't let the holidays drive you crazy. It's just a day. It's just a season, short season that's going to be come and gone, okay? So now I'm just going to store this in this pitcher and put it in the refrigerator. When I get up to use it in the morning, if you recall, the coconut milk is gonna have this fat on the top of it, which is absolutely perfect. I may show that to you tomorrow before I actually post this video. Okay, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Happy planning for the holidays. From my family to yours, from my kitchen to yours. God bless, and you have a wonderful day.